let's talk a bit about children with intellectual and developmental disabilities. First, to define intellectual and developmental disabilities, there are two domains in which limitations must be found. First, a below-average IQ, and second, limitations in three general indicators of adaptive skills, such as conceptual, which involves the use or misuse of language. As seen in the illustration here, Denzel has no concept, due to theory of mind, that his father can't see what he's playing with. He doesn't understand that he has to use language to describe to someone who can't see because they are speaking over the phone. Social problems also occur frequently with children who have intellectual and developmental disabilities as they interact with others, because they can't follow social cues. They also struggle with practical matters such as using money, traveling, personal care, and daily life skills. When defining intellectual and developmental disabilities, there is a range of IQ scores that require different levels of support. For example, someone with mild intellectual and developmental disability would have an IQ from 50 to 70 and need only intermittent levels of support, whereas someone with an IQ below 20 would need pervasive, ongoing support. Some common biological and environmental causes that are known for IDD include Down syndrome, which occurs once in every 600 to 900 births. The other two listed here that are less known also involve biological functions such as chromosomes that mutate and cause IDD. Environmental causes known to cause IDD include fetal alcohol syndrome, rubella, lead poisoning, and encephalitis. Fetal alcohol syndrome occurs in every 7 out of 10,000 births. Children with IDD tend to suffer from limited cognitive ability, which also means they can have difficulty with memory and classification of items and events. They also tend to make poor decisions and can have difficulty expressing themselves. With limited emotional and social skills, the child with IDD may have difficulty coping. They also may experience learned helplessness. This is a concept where children feel that they will fail and give up hope or trying. How, as a teacher, can you help students with IDD? First, you can apply Universal Design for Learning in Tier 1, which is where all of the students receive quality instruction as a class. Second, you may give special lessons in Tier 2. And for those with more extreme cases who lag behind their peers by more than 1 year and demonstrate very weak progress, they may require intensive intervention in Tier 3 according to the response to intervention model. What does that mean specifically? Well, scaffolding by modeling a behavior and guiding the student through specific steps. Also using reciprocal teaching, small groups where the teacher takes students and the teacher take turns leading a discussion. Cooperative learning where they can work in a team. Building successful learning experiences to motivate the student and allow them to be more confident. Help them set personal goals and take appropriate actions so they can experience this success. And sometimes using special programs and assistive technology are necessary to support learners with IDD. Finally, it's important to consider the potential of this unique population of students.